Steel and thunder, steel and thunder, God's will the cursed sky, son of lightning born to defy, raised by mortal hands in the sand, but fake our fire in this land. Kraken rising from the deep, hear Olympus tremble, hear it weep. Kings bow down, but I won't kneel. I don't pray, I make them feel. I am no god, I am no slave. I walk the line between the grave. Let the hear my roar, open wide the titan door. Clash of the titans, blood on the blade. Lightning cracks where demigods are made. Raise your sword to the storming sky. Watch the old gods bleed and die. Wrath of the titans, chains undone. War of the fathers and the sons. If Olympus wants my soul tonight, they'll have to take it in a screams my name. Brothers forged in ash and fear, stand your ground, the end is near. Hades whispers through the fire, Zeus falls weak from fading power. Kronos rises mountain tall, time itself begins to fall. Broken throne and shattered crown, hear the ancient empire drown. From mortal blood the strength is born, a god of war but battle war. Clash of the titans, blood on the blade. Lightning cracks where demigods are made. Raise your sword to the storming sky. Watch the old gods bleed and die. Wrath of the titans, chains undone. War of the fathers and the sons. If Olympus wants my soul tonight, they'll have to take it in a fight. No more mercy, no more love. We are the